Okay, we're here at a residential home, and they had a hot water heater blow, so we have some air movers set up. There's the hot water heater. It's a new one, but it's blown, so they had to come through here through the wall. So basically have air mover on here and dehumidifier dry this up. Then we sprayed the antimicrobial on the concrete floor here to deodorize it. So the relative humidity was about 40-some%, so it's not too bad because I had them run a little small dehumidifier. This is a 1200. This one works really good. We have this running to the bathroom. So we took this up. So it's clean water, so we checked it with our moisture meters. We sprayed it. We're gonna just kind of dry it out. I think we could save the pad just because they got to it pretty good. So the water came right through the wall here. So we may take this trim off. We tested it. It's really not too bad with the moisture meters, but yeah, we'll check it again this week. And then when we're done, basically we're gonna put everything up once it's dry. Try to get it down about 30%, and then we'll put the we'll clean everything and put the antimicrobial on and reattach. You know, it's the float this right here, so we have it floating underneath. Our moisture meter or hygromaster basically water came about right here. So right here came about 7-8 feet. The carpet wasn't wet here, but the carpet was wet up about maybe 4 feet from the wall. So that's it. You know, we're gonna dry it out really good and just monitor it for a day or two, and then reattach it probably in a couple, like 2-3 days. So anything you need as far as water restoration, we're certified IICRC for water restoration. We do nicotine restoration, you know, light fire, puffbacks, obviously cleaning and restoring all your hard and soft surfaces. You know, with